Good morning, everyone. It's Jackie from Jackie Sunshine. Today is another gloomy day. It's cold. It's windy. It's dreary. But nature never stops to amaze us all. Look at the trees. Even without any leaves, they look beautiful, right? So, my message for everyone today, as always, is no matter how bare, how empty, how tired, how hopeless, how afraid we can all feel sometimes. Come out in nature and just see how she keeps doing her work every day, every day. The sun shines for us, the moon shines for us, the birds chirp for us, and beauty is just all around us. So I've come for this brisk walk on my own to remind myself how blessed I am